Hey everybody, it's Mitchell. So in this video, you know what, I wasn't gonna share this, but I do have to share it. I'm updating my campaigns, and I'm gonna show how to go from the Facebook ads, all the leads that are here, to go into Calendly. I do have to say this only works with Lola, but I'm gonna show you how I connect it. So this is my recent Florida campaign here. So out of why $1 a lead, but these are local leads. If they were like more national, this is like particular area, it'll be much cheaper. But Orlando is not bad. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna connect all these leads to Calendly. Now, again, this only works with Lola, and I'm just gonna show you how does this work. All right. So first is I need to create a calendar. Now, the calendar I'm going to create is I'm going to clone one of these. Now, I'm going to do a Wednesday at 8 o'clock at night. Those perform really, really good. So, Wednesday, 8 o'clock at night, Eastern time. For some reason, all the speakers, I see everybody, that's like a hot time. And it's just the attention, right? Because, like, they're going to jump on your call or somebody else's call. The reason for this is to send all the notifications, the 37 people, to Calendly. They're going to get a text message, an email, push notification. So Calendly is going to set up all of those things for you. You don't have to worry about your emails going to a bad like email server. Like Calendly is going to have that set up. That's why I'm really creating these. So, all right, so I'm going to set them for every single week. Here we go. This actually is going to be a Zoom. It's not going to be in person. And then I'm going to set these for, getting a few errors here. Let me just close it. Now, I'm going to refresh the page just to do it again. Sometimes I move too quick, so Calendly always helps me like to slow my roll. All right, so this is gonna be a schedule, that date. I'm gonna allow up to 800 people. You normally send 800, 900 people. You normally get a 20-30% show up rate as well. So that's why you want to increase way more people. And now I'm going to schedule it into the future. Yes. This is going to be a 1-hour event here. And this is going to be in Zoom. In Zoom, actually, what I do is I normally set up the same calendar link. So I don't want it to be different. I control my own calendar. Here, so I'm just going to provide my own calendar link here. All right, so this one is going to be, this is my main calendar link. All right, and then display after booking. Okay. All right, this is going to be my Orlando free AI event. Okay. Call it Florida. People like when it's like local, right? Only local people. Free AI events. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Now I want to just see how does that look like. Now we're connecting everything from the ads to here. That's why it's so important. Okay. Now let's refresh. Let me check this booked appointment page. All right, checking my appointment page. Oh, preview. Here we go. Okay. Now, what I don't want to do is allow people to book in the future. What happens is you promote one day and they always go to the next one. So attendees could only schedule up to, 7 days. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. All right. Save it. And it's only one time frame. Okay. Now, the most important thing to do is receive the notifications. This is going to be a free AI event. And I always put the Zoom link into the emails. All right. And this is going to be the topics here. We're turning in-person to Zoom. And then here we go. Here we go. All right. And then we do have a landing page as well, and a WhatsApp. All right. So I'm just gonna put everything Zoom. I always like to repeat the URL links multiple times because people sometimes they don't notice it's they don't notice it's the link there. So they always ask me, hey Mitch, where's the link? Where's the link? Where's the link? Business networking. Okay. Boom. So that looks really good. I'm going to copy this. Also, one thing I'll do is put the time as well. Join us 30 minutes early. Event starts at 8 o'clock p.m. sharp. Again, I'm going to repeat it again. Join us 30 minutes earlier. All right. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. All right. Free AI events here. This way they know they're joining. Put this, copy that, copy that, copy that. Now, it's all the topics. Save it. Looks good. That's the description. Again, all these leads need to know what they signed up for. I feel like everybody has like Alzheimer's. Once they submit something, they always forget. Like, Mitch, what did I sign up for? Like, what did you sign up for? Let's try to remember. So, free AI events, Florida. Again, massive reminders. Massive reminders. Okay. Send them so many text messages as well, like 1 hour before, 1 day before. It has to be so much. Okay. Now, I always like to schedule a follow-up as well, at least 1 minute when it starts. Like, hey, it's starting, right? It's like your Zoom room is ready, right? It's truly ready. It's truly ready. Okay. So what it means is after the event has started, then they're gonna receive it. Okay. All right. Now, why so many emails? You're probably wondering, hey Mitch, this is too much. What's not too much is somebody not joining, just because you don't like to receive emails. You put in your policy as well, how many emails you're sending out as well. All right, so that looks good. And the final thing, what we have to do, the most important thing, which nobody does, is to test it. Testing it means you send it to yourself, you send it to a friend, and you actually test the URL link. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna book it here. I'm gonna put my information here, and just to see how all the flows are gonna flow. Okay. Schedule. All right. It looks like something went wrong. It's good. Like, couldn't be finalized. Feel free to reach out. It's an error. All right. Let me check my email. So, let me check what went wrong. The confirmation page, possibly? Please reach out to us with a support ticket. Okay. I'm actually going to reach out to them with a support ticket, see what's going on. Because I'm checking my other screen, I didn't get any type of email. Again, a lot of people, they would run this and then they would say, hey, nothing is running, or you always got to do a test. All right, so this, I'm going to connect it to my Calendly, and this is where the Lola is going to connect. So let me just do, this is going to be the free event. These are all business owners, free AI events. Now we're going to do, so we typically find Facebook works really well when you exclude other places, because sometimes when you just put only targeting in, it doesn't really work. When you tell Facebook, hey, I want to just be focused here, I'm excluding all these. So we exclude it, and the age group as well, you know, depends who you want to target. People who have money already, which is good. I'll keep the same. Who's a small business owner, frequently travelers, things like that. All right, that all looks great. Free tech events. I just have to connect it to Calendly. Is this something our agents should know? Okay. So we set up the calendar. Something was an error there. I won't keep you guys waiting there. This is going to be get tickets to local AI events. Get your tickets. I always like to say, like, if you're in Florida, okay? Everything done for you. And we're going to connect a webhook to Calendly. Means that every submission that goes in there is going to go into Calendly. That's where Lola comes in. So I'll send you the link below what that looks like. Just to access Lola to get this calendar. But this webhook would automatically connect all the leads that go here would automatically go into your calendar. So hopefully this video is great to see the Facebook events, Calendly. It's a lot of information here. Rewind it, pause. I'm trying to create more content as I'm doing it. Might as well record content as I'm doing it just to show my secrets, I guess. All right, let me know if this is helpful, and any questions in the comments, let me know. Thanks. Bye.